Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Chocolate is a wonderful ingredient and puddings are an absolute treat. Today on that note, let's make chocolate pudding using 5 common ingredients from your own home kitchen. And trust me, this possibly is one of the most demanded recipes on the channel. So this one is specially for you. What I'm going to start with is making an Italian zabayon or a sabayon. For that, you need to have a double boiler, you need to have a deep vessel with some water, and you need to have a bowl that perfectly fits or a little larger than the bowl that's under it. The water should not be touching the bowl that we placed on top. The first thing that goes in the bowl here is some grain sugar. To this, I'm going to add in egg yolks. With the help of a duster, you need to hold the bowl, and with the help of a whisk, you need to start mixing this to begin with. And then slowly, you start whipping it so that it turns into a nice and thick custard-like mix. Well, after 3 to 4 minutes of whipping continuously, you'll see that the mixture has become nice, thick and foamy. Time to give it a quick scrape and continue whipping for another 3 to 4 minutes till the sugar is completely well dissolved. The mixture has become nice, soft, fluffy, and the sugar has almost melted. Time to add in the chopped chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate because I love it personally. Let's give it a mix. With the heat of the sabayon or the custard, the chocolate is slowly going to start melting and convert into a chocolatey mass. While the chocolate is kind of melting, let's do another quick trick, and that is melting some vanilla ice cream, and not just melting but also kind of heating it lightly. Well, there are a few reasons for using vanilla ice cream. One, because it's nice and thick. Second, because it's creamy. And the third and the most important reason is because vanilla ice cream has vanilla essence, and that's very important in balancing the flavor of the chocolate pudding. Let's just warm it nicely, and of course the flame. Let's transfer this into the chocolate. This is also going to help in melting the chocolate further. Turn this flame off as well, and you can transfer this on the working table. Let's mix this nicely and evenly. Another reason of warming the ice cream is so that when you add it to the chocolate turns into a nice molten and gooey mass. So here, the ice cream has done its job, and here you have a chocolate mix that's ready. Let's add in our final and 5th ingredient, and that is whipped cream. This is lightly whipped cream. Do not whip it too much because you do not want peaks to form here. Let's mix this nicely, gently and evenly. With this, your silken, smooth, luscious chocolate pudding is done and ready. Let's set these in the serving containers, serving glasses or serving bowls, and finally top this with some whipped cream. With this, my personal favorite 5-ingredient chocolate pudding is done and ready. Have this warm or make it in advance and have it nice and chilled. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Get Curried.